Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete a saved address in PayPal account cleanup step by step clearly. Open your web browser or the PayPal mobile app on your device. If you are on a shared device, make sure you are using a private or secure connection. Go to paypal.com or launch the PayPal app from your home screen. Log in with the email address or phone number connected to your PayPal account. Enter your password and complete any security check if PayPal asks for it. After logging in, look for the settings option, usually a gear icon. On a computer, click the gear icon near the top right of the page. On the mobile app, tap your profile icon, then find Settings in the menu. In Settings, locate the section called Addresses, Address Book, or Saved Addresses. Tap or click Addresses to open the list of addresses stored in your account. Take a moment to identify the exact address you want to remove. Make sure you are not selecting your primary address by mistake. If PayPal shows multiple types of addresses, check both home and shipping categories. Click or tap the address entry to open its details. Look for an option that says Remove, Delete, or Trash icon next to the address. Select Remove or Delete to start the deletion process. When a confirmation message appears, read it carefully to confirm you chose the correct address. Confirm the action by clicking Delete Address or Remove Address. Wait a few seconds for PayPal to update your saved address list. Return to the Addresses page to verify the address is no longer listed. If the address still appears, refresh the page or close and reopen the app. If PayPal will not let you delete the address, check whether it is set as the default shipping address. If it is the default, set a different address as default first, then try deleting again. Also check if the address is linked to an active billing agreement or recent transaction. If needed, update the billing agreement address before attempting deletion again. For extra cleanup, review your other saved addresses and remove any outdated ones. Double-check your profile and shipping settings to ensure the correct address remains available. Log out of PayPal when you are finished, especially on public or shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.